Hello, this is my family. This is my mother. She is Marta Lucia. She is 69 years old and is very loving and the most beautiful. She is my sister Cristina. She is 40 years old and she older is lower than me and she has blonde hair. He is my sister's husband. He is Bernie. He is bigger than my sister and he is Islamic. She is my daughter, Valerie Sofia. She is 13 years old and is bigger than her brother Emmanuel. He is 2 years old and he is father. In this other picture, this is my husband, Leandro Toro. He is 35 years old and he is taller and thinner than me. She is Sofia. The daughter of my husband is 10 years old and is smaller than Valerie and higher than Emmanuel. Thank